Hello guys and welcome back again to playing Minecraft Horror with my older brother. Today we're gonna create a new Minecraft world and with new mods. Alright, let's start. Alright, we are in. Yo, look at this. There's a really flat grounds and I see what looks to be a tower already. You want to investigate it? I don't think we can explore this yet. We need to get a sword. Oh wait, we can use the cobwebs. To make beds. We can use a sword. This can be like our watchtower or some sort. Yeah, there's a forest here and we should probably... Yo, what is that island up there? Yeah. Yo, chest. Yo, give me that. Yeah, you want a beach? Do that. Hey, if you got a sword, we can start mining the cobwebs, turn it into wool. There's like an island up there with yeah. What? I told you, he already spawned. Hold on, mod. Where? He's on the tower now. Huh? Who's that? Do not look at him or else he's gonna anger at us. Who's that, bro? That is the horror mod I added and he's already spawning. Do you know his name? In the dark. I didn't look at him. You look at him? No, do not look at him. He kinda looks like the man of war. Yeah, he disappeared. Nice. Not the man, you know man, the man from the fog. If you look at he looks like Poppy playtime thing. No, but he looks black. Yeah, but his face looks like Poppy playtime. All mods work like if you look at them, you anger them and then. But what if he looks at me and he angers me, bro? You ain't timid of that house. Bro, it's fine, bro. Because you're gonna kill him. What if I kill him with my AK-47, bro? You can have a gun mod here. What if I made my own gun? There was a cartoon baby, bro. Cartoon baby. Oh my god, that's 2 beds. I didn't look at you, what the holy shit, some water! Where are you? There's one on your bottom and there's one on me. What, the black guy? Yeah, bro. Oh! I see him. Is he gone? I see him. Nah, he's still there, bro. I'm dead, bro. Like, I'm so dead. Bro, why am I getting spawn trap, Loki? That's returned by that, my bad, bro. What if I just mine down? What can you do then? Yeah, just mine down and wait for him to this one. I mean a 1x1 hole, bro. When I'ma look at him. He's on to me. He's on the ground. I'ma just low key. I see him, bro. He's gonna climb up. He can't do nothing. A lot of stone, bro. This is my cave now. I'ma make a cave. There's 2 of them. One, I didn't even look at him. Well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's not sleep and watch all of them attack us. We got no coal here. I have 4 coals. 4 coals, I got some sticks. Pick some torches so they don't spawn on us, bro. Alright, bro, here you go. Also, we should fix these holes. I could, but I need more stone. I need more wood. I'm gonna go chopping trees. I have wood. Hey, do you have some stone? Like 3? Yeah. Give me 3, bro. Tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow, bro, I'm gonna go start chopping wood. I have 3 stacks of wood. You got 3 stacks? Yeah. And like 2 stacks of cobble. Oh my god, let's start fixing. We have a lava. Yeah, I saw that. There's a lava. There's smoke now. Huh? There's smoke. Where? Over here, the lava pool. I just went to look at it, now there's smoke. Bro, if I push you down, do you die? From 4 damage, yeah. Wait. You saw bronze. Did you actually fish him? Yeah, I did. Come here, look at this. Hey, let me.
Oh yeah! Yo, get out the side. Get out of the way.
There's a spider.
Where's his shitbox now? Bro went invincible.
Platform?
Blocks what? Go. Can you make more? Like, forward.
I don't got enough things.
Okay, this enough. Watch me. Bro, wanna see this?
Wait, let me. I'll put my stuff.
Yeah, see this, bro?
Wait, let me set my spawn point. Okay.
I'm asleep.
Let's go.
Set my spawn point. Let's go up that tower!
Wait. So I currently have nothing in my inventory except a boat. I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna place a boat. I'm gonna see if I can trap him.
I see more.
And
I
you see
see,
another creeper. You.
I see something, bro.
What do you see, bro?
I see like a structure. And then when I look up in the sky, there's another structure up in the sky.
I'm dead.
You died to a skeleton, not to him. But that's alright.
Say, look at him. He doesn't do anything, bro. I'm gonna die to the mob.
Genuinely, let's just go up to the tower.
Okay.
I'm gonna make like.
Do you wanna light up the roof? Please touch on the roof so mobs don't spawn on the roof.
I don't think they will spawn because I'm dead, bro. When they see me, bro, they get the all.
Team
They
Tough
get
Knuckles.
knuckles.
Oh, there's. I do see that thing. Eating.
Can you trap that guy?
No, I don't wanna trap him.
I'll give you ladders.
Just don't look at him because that's how you
I don't
anger
think you
him.
can get up.
Yeah, but just don't anger him.
It looks like they might be spawning. Or it looks like they did be spawning.
So,
Is that enough ladders?
yeah, right now. When
It is enough. Oh!
Phantom ladders, quick!
See?
Wait, wait.
I'm too good for this.
No, wait, bro. Let's go to sleep first.
So like one part of our roof is gone. So like what should we do with that, bro? We should replace it with
Are you serious right now?
Yo, is that guy dead? Um, I think that guy left. And the one eating the pig, and now it's just the pig corpse.
Oh my goodness! No, no! There's an
Don't go there,
army of skeletons.
Don't go there, bro. We gotta leave, bro. Don't go the other side, bro. Look at that. Wait, I think we can do this.
Oh wait, they're only absurd.
Yeah. What if we just like,
You can kill 'em.
hold up?
Yeah. I'll give me some blocks too and like a weapon.
Oh, they have a bow. One of them had a bow.
It's only one.
Oh, they do have a bow.
Mission abort. Can I go to the other end? No, look at the stone structure. It kinda looks like a bar. Wait, be careful.
Oops.
Be careful.
Um, there's like ladders on the side, I think.
Where?
I saw a ladder.
Start mining down.
don't think there is ladders.
We can't
We
loot
just
this.
need to like.
We can't loot this. Bro, that's wood. That's gonna catch on fire.
We're just gonna do it temporary. Ooh! Oh, block.
Hey, there's dripstone. Oh my
Yeah, I
god.
know.
Gold blocks.
Wow!
Grab.
That's the treasure, bro. It's gravel.
That's good.
Wait a minute! I'ma drop that to that guy.
Come on, get inside. It doesn't look the same. He's just onto the side.
Guy in the birch tree. Do you see him?
Yeah, but the other one, the birch tree, I think that's from the hallucination mod.
Okay, bro. I'ma just dripstone this kid.
Someone attempted to hack the server.
Bro, what the fuck is that?
Someone attempted to hack the server.
The server?
I don't know, bro.
Bro, you cannot hack me. I'm literally the goat.
Say booyah. That's
Someone
hallucination.
attempted to hack the server.
Oh, wait, no, wait. Wait.
What?
That could be boiled one. We have a firewall. Yeah.
Yeah!
You wanna dripstone him.
Oh yeah. You're gonna die soon, buddy. Buddy.
Just dripstoning him.
Buddy,
Give me dripstone. I'm gonna dripstone him.
there you go. What else should we do? Let's... Wood. Let's get more wood, bro.
Nah, bro. I
Or
ain't.
should we get armor?
I ain't your understand.
Bro,
Yes.
what is he doing to the chicken? Bro, you're so weird. Wanna go caving?
My goodness. Why did you not cut?
Let's go caving, bro.
Oh no! I accidentally got the chicken next to him.
Let's go caving for sunset or what?
I haven't had the worst idea.
Let's go now? Bro, let's go.
Wait, let's go before out next day. Nah, he not dying.
Bro. Where you at? Oh, calm down, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with him. I'm gonna fishing with him. They found matter. Get into the boat.
It's also like enchanted.
Yes, I got into a boat.
And then, what happened?
Nothing. I just got into a boat. Do you have any leads?
Oh, we can craft you.
Ooh.
You know, you're a good guy.
Yeah, he's a good guy. There's a skeleton on top of that thing. He called his buddies, bro. He got too embarrassed of being trapped in the boat.
Woo!
I'm gonna kill that skeleton.
Bye bye.
Uh,
Don't do it, I saved you. Holy save. If you fall down, I can still save you, you know. Come here, bro.
so, bro,
Go.
it's too far.
You can do it.
No, I can't.
Not that horse, not that horse. There, one more chance. I don't know how to do.
Oh, I'm...
I just wanna know how to do, bro.
Something's happening. Repaste the torches. Repaste the torches. Bro,
What the fuck?
repaste the torches.
What happened?
The bold one. Why the
Bro, I
hell?
just wanna know how to do. Give me a minute.
What do you think those can be? Well, they're still here. Do you work?
Yeah, bro.
Let me.
Holy shit. I speared him and I broke the boat.
It's okay.
How do I get him back to the boat?
I just fishing at them.
I brought him back to the boat. No! I'll save you. Wandering trader. No. Yeah, what's up? Oh, thank you.
Nice.
Bro, we can get the gold blocks now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, strike cannon. I mean, I could...
Oh! He's chasing me now.
Who?
This is
Strike him!
for America now. Oh, back!
You strike me, bro.
Where is he? He's over there.
Oh! Oh no! I keep falling!
Bro.
I keep falling!
Bro, that's not me! Dude, that's not me, bro. That's not me. Are you lagging by chance?
I'm not anymore, brother. He killed me!
I killed you.
Oh, he destroyed a tower! Oh no, he's glitch!
Alright, bro. Just say goodbye to the tower, bro, I guess.
Alright, here's a plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just drop a nuke.
Keep telling your plan, bro. Keep telling your plan.
Towers gone. Nothing what remains, bro, is straight up gone.
Bro, why are you following me? Don't make me nuke you, bro. Don't make me nuke.
Who's following you?
The black guy. I'm a stop shot this kid.
Oh my goodness.
Kaboom! Rest in peace, my brother. He got hit by a
I can
bazooka.
definitely tell I'm lagging.
Okay, bro. I stop shot him. Oh! Did you die too? Oh, I made it out alive. Yo, bro. Look, we're so happy. Am I right?
You destroyed him.
Where you at right now? Hi, bro. We're so happy, right?
Let's go build up the tower.
I don't have any blocks. What's that ice cream, bro?
Here's I got ton of blocks.
Okay, man.
I'm gonna build up. What are you doing?
Nothing. Once you got nasa PC, everything
Alright.
is okay, bro.
Well, this is our new home now.
Not for long. Yeah.
Not for long. I don't wanna hear those words. Oh, cobblestone generators. Oh, good.
Is this a sky block?
Look a base. Look, cobblestone generator.
Or did you not
It's a
actually-
grass.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
I got shear, and then I can shear them.
Wow, bro, that kingdom is our new home, by the way.
Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe.